Hello, welcome back in my shed. My name is the Old Mechanic, and today I'm going to show you another optional feature of the CHIGEE AIO-5. Today we're going to unpack the tire pressure and tire temperature sensors. And we're going to install them on my Beamer. And now you say, hey Old Mechanic, you already got tire pressure on your Beamer. That's true, but guys, my BMW is 14 years old. And I'm sure the batteries of my tire pressure system, what's in the rim, are about onto its way out. So I don't like to buy completely new remote control valves in my rim, original BMW, as I'm sure they cost a lot. So I'm going to install these. Come on over and we start. So guys, this is the box. Let's see, let's open the box. Wow! It comes with a card fully in Chinese. It says, I have no idea, my Chinese isn't that good. This is one. This is one. And the CHIGEE tool. This. Oh, and two nuts. Okay, this out of the way. This looks good. Curious what they weigh. Let's look about that. Wait a minute. I got the scale out of the kitchen. I want to see how much this one weighs, because you don't want to have unbalance in your rim, in your tire. So put it on, yep, onto grams. The tool plus the nut, it weighs 7 grams. Okay. Here I got my rim weight. This is ferro and this is 5. So let's see. I take 5 gram. Okay. Exactly 5 gram. What a good plan is, before you renew your tire, then it's balanced anyway, put a 5 gram weight to the opposite of the CHIGEE. And that's for the time being, until you get a new tire and it gets balanced again. Here we have another one. Wait a minute. Here's the post, and don't forget to put this tool into your toolbox or in your pocket. Toolbox better. Guys, another thing, with this tool you can open the what is it? Tire pressure gadget and replace the battery. So let's see. It's this one. Okay. Yes, just unscrew it. It has a nice rubber ring. Okay, then, yes, over here is the battery. And the battery is, the type of the battery, let's look in the manual. It's the BR1200GS. So, that's great. Now, screw it in again. This. Take the tool and yes, not too tight. Not too tight, guys. Yes. Now we're gonna install them. Let's have fun. Now, first thing we're gonna do is put the bike on ignition. Wait a minute, zoom in a bit. Okay. Over here we can see that the tire pressure sensors are not paired with the CHIGEE. And that's what we're gonna do, guys. Now, first thing we're gonna do, this one off. And then this nut all the way on, and then this just like this. And we're going to do the same at the rear side. Come on over. Okay guys, first take this one off, then the super nut, yes, all the way on, okay, then this one, sensor also just a thread, like that. Then I take you to the front side. Yes. Okay, wait a minute. Then we go over here. We go to settings, feature. Over here we got TPMS, tire pressure monitoring, sensors. Okay, we say pair, and now we're gonna screw the front one all the way in. Like this, not too tight, otherwise you ruin it. See, it's all over there. Now we go quickly to the rear. Ta-da! Over here, up. Yes, and we screw this one here, hop. To that, and as you can see, it's already paired now. Now, I like to have it in bar. Now it's in bar, and I like to have it in Celsius. This is Europe. See, it's very cold in here. Now, my front tire needs to be at, I think, 2.5 or so. So we're gonna set the lowest alarm to, let's say, think 2. Oh, so Okay. And the upper one is now on the 3.8. That's a bit too high, but I'm gonna set it to, let's say 3.5. So, then we go back, and we go back, and we go back, and over there is the tire pressure. 2.5 in the front, 2.9 in the back. Now that was easy, huh? And the next thing we're gonna do is take the tool and block and use the lock nut. Okay. We gently, let's see, oh, up, all the way up. Can you see it? Yes, a bit at least. And then carefully, just a tiny bit, not too much. Lock it. And what I already did is on the other side, oh, that's on the other, on the upper side I sticked 5 grams of tire balancing stuff. Now we go to the front. These I'm gonna put together with my tool in my toolbox. Wait a minute. First we're gonna do the front side. Come on over. Nice light. Let's see over here, I think. Nice. Then okay, and hold it and block it. Yes. See, when you have it on the camera, your tire pressure is over here, which is good. Dit is the front, if I'm right, yes. This is now the rear, still having my tire pressure. That's nice. Okay, the front with an inlay of the rear. It is the other way around, the rear with an inlay with the front. Okay, then here you can see the kilometers, how fast you're going. Here is the voltage of the battery, the altitude, minus 65 meters. Now that's a little bit optimistic. I am below sea level, I know. Yeah, I live in Holland, eh? And over here we have the tire pressure and the tire temperature. Now, guys, then put the bike off ignition. So, now guys, the next thing. Oh, get my buddy sheet off, carefully place it out of the way. Then we have the special tool and my caps. My caps gonna put. Oh, this is my lock. Oh. So the caps in this compartment. Oh. And here I got tools, a few tire wraps, just some things. Oh. So this one. Okay. Lock. Easy as Dell. Job done. Now guys, that was my video. How to install, pair the tire pressure monitor things onto my rim. Was it easy? Absolute. Is it a nice feature? I do think so. If you don't have a tire pressure monitoring system on your bike, then it's nice. It's nice. Especially because you can set the alarms. It's a simple job. So, I hope you like this video too. And if you do, consider a subscription. And if you do, please consider a subscription. I really would appreciate it. Costs nothing, eh? And you get all the information for free. And meanwhile, save a few bucks. Also important. See you the next time. For now, Halt Mechanic out.